Hello and welcome to yet another video of this course. In this video, I am going to explain what are batch files. Batch files, as the name implies, are files that hold batches of command prompt commands. We can create batch files easily by using the Notepad, which is built in the Windows, or any other text editor of our choice. Let me create a batch file for you. I will run Notepad. In here, I have written the command which I showed you in the last lecture, ping 8.8.8.8 space /t. Now I will save this file on the desktop. First, I'm going to click the Save as Type drop down and select all files. Don't forget to do this step, it is very important step. And then I will supply a file name. I will call it doping.bat. A file will become a batch file only when you will add a .batch extension to its end. In fact, both of these steps are necessary. You need to change the value of save as type and you need to supply a .bat extension in the end as well. Otherwise, the file will remain a simple plain text file and you don't want to do that. So I will save it and minimize this one. So now you can see that the file doping.bat is showing on the desktop and its icon has got two cogs in it. This means that this is not an ordinary file and there is something special about it. In order to run the command prompt commands stored inside this file, we don't need to open the command prompt. We can simply double click this file and the commands will start running. That's a good thing about batch files. And later I will also tell you how to schedule to run these files, but that will come later. Okay, and now there is another important question. What happens if you want to change the contents of this batch file? Because we have seen that if we double click a batch file, the commands start running. So in order to do that, we can simply right click a batch file and select edit from the drop down and change the values as we please. If the commands will be wrong, the DOS prompt is going to show an error. Like for example, if I mess the command here like this and I close it, you see now, and run it, nothing happens. I personally prefer using Notepad++ instead of simple stock Notepad. It is a free and open source software and it's been out there for a lot of years. It is a very mature software. It basically makes our batch file look pretty. And there are other useful things like line numbers and macros and a lot of other stuff. So I personally prefer using Notepad++. Everything which I am going to do in this course from now on is going to be in Notepad++. You can download it from their website or you can still use simple plain Notepad. No restrictions. Yeah.